Hello everyone, and welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to change the language on Google Gemini. The first step is to log into Google Gemini and then click on your Google profile picture in the upper right corner. Then click the Manage Your Google Account button. Type language in the search bar and click on it. Click the edit icon. Then type your preferred primary language and click. You can also select a country that uses your chosen language. Finally, click the Save button. Now, when you return to Google Gemini and refresh the page, you will see that the language has changed. I hope this step-by-step guide on changing the language on Google Gemini has been helpful. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.